In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account or restore a deleted account in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus what actually happens behind the scenes when you remove or bring back an account. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open your company. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of categories you use to track money in and out, things like bank accounts, income, and expenses. That's where we'll work today. From within QuickBooks, head to the chart of accounts. Depending on your layout, you can find it from the accounting section or by searching for chart of accounts. Give the page a moment to load. It lists all your active accounts. When you're ready to remove an account, find the one you no longer need. On the right side of that row, open the drop-down in the action column and choose delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Here's an important note. In QuickBooks Online, delete really means make inactive. Your historical transactions remain intact for reporting and audit purposes, but the account is hidden so you don't accidentally use it going forward. That's great for keeping your records clean without losing history. If QuickBooks won't let you delete an account, it may be a special system account or one that still has requirements tied to it. In those cases, leaving it inactive is usually the best route. If you ever need to restore a deleted account, you can. Stay on the chart of accounts page and open the gear icon on that page to adjust what you're seeing. Choose to show inactive accounts. You'll notice previously deleted accounts appear with an inactive label. Locate the account you want to bring back, open its options, and select Make Active. The account immediately returns to your active list and can be used again in transactions and reports. Any historical activity remains fully connected to that account, so your past reports won't change. A few quick tips as you work. Before deleting, double-check you're targeting the correct account, especially if names are similar. If the account has a balance, consider whether it should be moved or cleared first according to your accounting process. After restoring, review your forms, rules, or recurring transactions to see if they should start using the reactivated account again. And remember, you can always toggle inactive accounts on or off to keep your list tidy while preserving your data. That's it. You've learned how to go to QuickBooks, open the chart of accounts, delete an account, and restore it when needed. Keep your books organized, and you'll make reporting and month-end much smoother.